Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie once again. Today I am going to show you how I style my short natural hair. The first thing I'm going to do is to make sure that the hair is damp by pouring water on it. And right here in this bottle I have a couple of oils that I put in this bottle mixed with water, and I'll be dropping the oils in the description box below. I'm also going to link one video that I did something similar so that you guys can quickly understand what I am doing. This is just me applying everything on my hair, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to pick up this hair pomade. This is actually essential for hair growth, and I'm going to pick this amount and apply it all over my hair. It's actually really perfect. It's really perfect for a good hair growth. So right now I am just going to apply all of that, let it sink into the scalp properly. So you want to go ahead to apply everything properly. And now I'm going to pick up my eco styling gel, and I'm going to pick a little amount of it, enough for the hair, and I'm just going to apply. And if it's not enough, you can go ahead to pick again and then apply all over your hair. So after applying the eco styling gel on my hair, I am going to spray water. Gel works perfectly when the hair is damp, when it's moisturized, so spray water. Then I'm going to pick up strands of my hair and coil it together and drop. And this is what I'm going to do from the front of my hair and a little bit towards the back. Depends on how you want your curls to be. Depends on if you want it to only be concentrate. If you want to concentrate more on the middle, then you can only curl the middle. If you want everything, you can curl everything. And then there are other ways to actually achieve these curls, but this is what I wanted for this particular video. So I'm going to pick up some strands, curl it up a little bit, drop it, and this is what I'm going to do until I am satisfied with what I have. So when the hair is drying up, make sure that you spray water and then continue curling. So guys, this is about the end of this tutorial. You can see that my curls look better, and it's actually better than when I started initially. So you can stop anywhere. If you want it to go all the way to the back of your hair, you can do that. If you want it just to be at the middle, you can do that. So right now I'm going to pick up a comb and then with my gel and then pat everything together and brush the rest of my hair so that it looks smart and nice. So this is it guys, this is what it looks like. Right now we're going to move over to the makeover, and this is actually a little bit detailed, but if it's not detailed enough for you, I can drop some of my videos where I have a detailed makeup tutorial so that you guys can see. Right now I am only drawing my brows and then concealing with a lighter shade of concealer and then my own shade of foundation, just so that everything will be properly blended and so that it looks good. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other side of the brow. And then right now I'm just going to apply shadows, a dark shade of shadow, a dark brown actually, on the transition area right here with an eyeshadow blush. And then for the crease area I'm going to go in with a silver shade of shadow, and all this is from Zaron Cosmetics eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side of my eyes. And then right now I'm going to moisturize my face, and I'm going to apply that generously all over my face, and make sure that your hands are properly washed and sanitized when you do this. So right now I'm going to go ahead to apply foundation, and I'm going to use a damn beauty blender to do this. But before that, if you're able to moisturize properly, you can get away with not priming the face, and that's what we are doing today. So I'm just going to apply foundation in my shade, and this is from V Beauty Cosmetics. I'll apply this all over my face, and then I'll pick up a darker shade of foundation and apply that on my cheekbone and then towards my forehead like this, to make sure that everything is properly blended and so that it comes out fine. So I'm just going to blend by tapping on the face so that you don't end up dragging anything. And then right now I'm going to pick up this concealer from Adventure Cosmetics, and it's just about 2 tones lighter than that of my skin tone. Then I'm going to apply this on my T-zone area, which is the forehead, underneath the eyes, the jaw, and on the nose. And then I'm going to blend all of that. So blend by tapping everything so that you don't end up seeing harsh lines here and there on the face. And again I'm going to go in with a lighter shade of concealer, and this is from Zaron Cosmetics. This is about 3 to 4 tones lighter than that of my skin tone, because I want underneath my eyes to pop better than what it is looking like. And then right now I'm going to contour my nose using a dark shade of concealer, and this is from Zaron Cosmetics. So you want to make sure that this is not too harsh, so you need to make sure that you blend using an eyeshadow brush, blend everything so that it doesn't look too dark. So I've actually applied powder, and the powder is from V Beauty Cosmetics, and I've gone ahead to apply my setting powder on my T-zone area, the places where I initially concealed. And I've also gone ahead to do a reverse contour underneath my cheekbone like this. Just in case you're a beginner and you really do not understand what I'm doing, I'm going to link a more vivid tutorial in this particular video so that you guys can see. So I'm going ahead to apply blush on my cheekbone like this. I'm just applying blush so that everything comes out really nice and popping. You can see the difference in the makeup with the blush actually. And then right now I'm going to go ahead to line my lips using a brown shade of Davis pencil, and I'm just going to line the top of my lip by shading it, and then underneath the lower part of my lip, while I wait for the setting powder to set into my skin properly. And right now I'm going to go in with a lighter shade of Lippy, and this is from Cheek Beauty Cosmetics, and I'm just going to apply that on the lower part of my lip and a little bit on the upper part of my lip, and then blend properly. And then right now I'm going to buff out the excess setting powder on my face. You have to wait for it for about 5 minutes for it to set, like bake into your skin properly, and that has been done already. So I'm just going to buff everything out so that it looks good and smooth and very nice. And then right now I am going to go ahead to use a damp beauty blender again, and then apply powder on my face by just tapping on the skin so that the whole powder and the setting powder sits properly on my face. And this is just me highlighting using Zaron Cosmetics highlighter on my cheekbone and then on my nose, because I want the whole makeup to pop and I want it to really look good. So I was actually going for a really subtle makeover, and that's why you can see that this whole look is really calm. And I'm going to apply that highlighter on my forehead and on my jaw, and then apply setting setting spray. Just spray that all over your skin and make it dewy. Let everything sit properly on your skin. And then right now I'm going to apply mascara on my lashes because I want to fix my falsies. I know that when you apply shadows on your eyes, you have powder falling on the natural lashes, and you really do not want that. So go in with your mascara just so that when you apply your falsies, everything will look natural and nice. So that is it, guys. I really wanted the lip to pop more than what it was looking like, so I went in with a lighter shade of lippy, which is white. I actually went in with white. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I do hope that it was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like and share if this video has helped you in any way. My name remains Lizzy. Please do turn on your notification button so that each time I post you get a notification and you'll be the first to know. I love you guys so much. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.